As another fantastic day comes to an end, I want to share with you the bikes I got to ride today that we're really proud of. This is a 76 CB754, absolutely stunning, completely restored bike. This is a Kawasaki Nomad VN 1700 in mint original shape. This is one of the first electric super bikes we've ever had. This is a 5,000 watt, 72 volt electric super bike. I don't know how super it really is because it only goes 55 miles an hour, but it's cheap transportation, no fuel. Then we've got a real super bike here. This is the 25th anniversary Eric Buell signature edition, signed by Eric on the dash there with the plaque, in absolutely mint original condition. 200 bike, 100% stock, 10,000 original miles. This bike won the AMA championship for the class it was raced in its first year out, and it's the same Helicon engine they have in the brand new Buells, except for that's 146 horse, 1125. The new ones are 175 horse, and they're 1190s. And this, if you watch the channel, this is my Stark American Eagle Hill Climber. I'm putting this one up for sale. The 2 rounds that we wanted to do this year have passed. This bike has 2.4 miles on it. It's essentially brand new. I missed the hill climb last weekend at Gunstock. It's had 3 10-second passes up the hill in 2.4 miles. Comes with all the stock suspension, stock swing arm, stock wheels. Also, it was $5,000 to have Rat Racing build this kit for us on top of the brand new 2026 Stark. So this one's going up for sale. And this bike, well, if you follow the channel, we did a Discovery series show, a 1-hour show, 1 episode right before COVID, and we did a frame off restoration on this bike 6 years ago. So all these will be covered in a Instagram short and a YouTube long video for everyone to give you all the details. And let's not forget, the last but not least, the Bultaco El Bandito, the one that would steal the win. 43.5 horsepower, 1968, 360cc big bore 2-stroke with the best suspension of the period and one of the best handling frames. Spectacular piece of moto history, signed by Jim Pomeroy himself, the first American. It says Jim Pomeroy, the first on there. That stands for the first American to ever go overseas and win an FIM World Championship Grand Prix race against the Europeans on their home soil. They thought the Americans couldn't hack it. First time there, Jim won, and he paved the way for lots of other Americans to do that. So this is a spectacular piece of moto history. This thing is very fast and very rowdy. Watch the full-length videos. Please hit the like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. God bless America. What's happening, fellas? Hey, my media guy just printed this off today, and much to my dismay, 83% of the people watching the channel are not subscribed, only 16.7. And we also got over a dozen emails from subscribers saying they were magically unsubscribed from the channel. So we're not sure how that's happening, but do me a favor, just check and see if you are subscribed. It's a button right down there. Just hit the subscribe button. It's very easy to do. You don't have to fill anything out. Just hit the button. Maybe you hit it inadvertently with your finger and unsubscribe, but it helps us grow the channel. I promise to you guys subscribe. I'll keep giving you the best free content on classic motorcycles I can possibly come up with. I spent the last 15 years of my life doing this 364.5 days a year. And that's all I ask. It's free, and it would help us grow the channel. So we got a deal. You guys subscribe, and I'll keep pumping out the great content for you. Thanks for watching, and God bless America.